Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome to another reveal video for Whimsy stamps. We just had another mini release and today I am sharing the Zombie Faces background stamp. This is a cling mounted stamp and it measures 4.5 by 5 3/4. The image itself, when you stamp it, measures 4 1/4 by 5.5, so it's perfect to cover the front of a card. There are many techniques that can be done with this, and I do have a couple of samples to share with you. My first sample, I decided to pair it up with the fabulous comic book cover background stamp. And I also incorporated the brick pattern stencil. I cut out the center of the comic book cover after I stamped it so that I could have my zombie panel set behind it. And for my second card, I stamped the background onto some Bristol Smooth cardstock and used my Zig clean color brush markers to color them in various shades of greens and purples. This background stamp coordinates perfectly with the Zombie Party clear stamp set that was also just released. So I used a couple of the sentiments from the Zombie Party stamp set and the comic speech bubble die set to finish up that card. And that wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.